So this section of the video will be just coding the whole thing. So let it close and let's just resume. Okay, now on the we're going to rename everything from this side to this side and the whole thing. Okay, this one should be a password text box. So let's look for a place where we rename it. The text box, we're going to rename the text box. The text, okay, text should be putting stars, yes. Those will be the placeholders. Okay. Oh no. On password character, my mistake. Something where we just write password, but nah. Let's just leave it because we have the password written here. So let's look for password character on our screen. I've seen it, but okay. Now put a star. Then we're going to rename the whole. So let's just name it password TB text box. Yeah. Then on the other one, this one, the username, we'll just call it a username TB text box. Let's just wait for it. Okay, now we're going to rename into. Okay, it's not seen it. This part will be just seen when we are coding. Then username TB, just like that. Press enter. Okay. Now let's just go to the program part. We want to program this button so that it does something. Yeah. So just double click on proceed. Now that is okay. What we have to do, right? On this one we have to say, so if the user enter something to the screen, if okay, username text box, okay, dot t, okay, is equals to, let's say the username is Mbonisi, right? And if the password text box, okay, let me just remove this one. Dot text is equals to, let's say our password will be line with Mbonisi 231. Okay, then what will happen if the user enters these credentials, right? So it's going to print out something to the screen. So we're going to call a message box where we're going to tell the user that you have successfully, okay, let's say access granted, just like that. Access granted. Then after doing that, right, it needs to clear the screen, to clear the whole login form, to clear. So in order to do that, right, we just have to say username dot text is equal to, okay, then password, okay, dot text is equal to nothing, just like that. After doing that, right, it have to show a form which we're going to create, but for the meantime, let's just program it to hide. So me is dot me, okay, just like that, me dot hide. So it's going to hide the text box, right? After hiding it, so yeah, now we want to say what else if the user enters this information, then they should do this for the following, right? But what if the user enters a wrong password or a wrong issue? We just have to say else message box should show print to the screen that okay, access has been denied. Try again. Access, okay, denied. Then we're going to give him a chance. Please try again. So to give the user a chance, what we have to do that we have to just copy the same code which we have written here and just paste it below, just like that. Okay, what's happening? Let's just wait for the computer to do its stuff. Okay, under this part we just paste the code just like that. Okay, so let's just try and run our code, our program. So it's going to check the errors as usual, and let's just wait for it. Okay, so it seems like there might be no error, yeah, because when there's an error it will just show up just show up on the screen like an error message. So now we just have to enter our credential. Mbonisi is the username, and our password is LLWM123. That's the wrong password. Let's just see if the program works. Proceed. Access denied. Please try again. So if we click OK, it's going to give us another chance to rewrite the username. So now we want to input the username is Mbonisi and the password is LLWM231 and click proceed. Access granted and just click OK. Then it's going to disappear, hide the form. So now as it have closed, right, we need to create another form similar to this, which is going to display on the screen after, so that it can show you that yes, you've entered the information. Now we are able to use the application. So now that's the part which we're going to deal with.